Okay, so hello traders, this is Trader Muru here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel in another episode of Weekly Gold Update where we analyze gold for possible weekly overviews. If you guys are new to my channel and hearing my voice for the first time, just click on the subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you guys get notified for all my upcoming videos. Let's start our weekly analysis without wasting times and so let's start with our weekly time frame. Okay, so let's start now. So this is our weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, we have a clear this breakout structure. Then we have this one. So in weekly time frame, structure is still bullish. Here we have a supply candle here, and this is the full zone from where supply is injected in the market, and price is trying to hold this zone. So weekly is still bullish, and as you can see here clearly that price is still strongly bullish, and according to our candle theory, the last ranging candle was this one, then we have a breakout structure, another candle breakup, and we have the last candle which close above is this small candle here, this one. So this is our current range, and according to this range we can clearly see this until the low of this candle holds, we are good to go upside. Okay, until the low of this candle holds in weekly time frame, we are good to go on upside, and the price of the low is 4877. So this is the weekly time frame low which should be hold. And then we have daily time frame range here. In daily time frame, our last breakout structure was this one, and after testing a structural area here, we have this bounce, and in this bounce we can clearly see this price is still not able to create a market structure shift. In daily time frame, we still don't have any market structure shift. This is just a liquidity hunt, and then price is dropping, and we have this supply here. So to be bullish again, price need to break above, retest this supply, turn will be in demand, then target will be this zone here, this full daily time frame supply here. So according to daily time frame, price is still at resistance, and it can drop for a little bit much lower here. In daily time frame, it is bullish from this zone, and in weekly time frame we are still bullish above 4877. So daily and weekly both are still bullish. Now let's see 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour time frame, when price closed this candle above this week, this is our new breakout structure. So after the breakout structure, what happens? Market creates a retracement and then continue its directional move. So in daily time frame, this was our first market structure shift. Then we have structural area test, pump, and again the breakout structure. So this is just a retracement going on, and in retracement price is allowed to make 3 waves. So this is first wave, second wave, and third wave can happen. And third wave most probably will be near about the same length of this first wave. So if we measure this here and put it from the recent high or the supply here, then nearly it will be near this zone here, this big candle, this big demand area, the lowest bearish close, this full body, and the bottom wick. So this is the zone from where price can again pump. And let's see the internal structure. When price was going upside, it come for retracement, again the breakout structure. Then this is again a retracement, low was tested, again a closing above, this is the breakout structure, and then we have this change of character. We have 2 candle closing below. So from this area, this is the QML zone and the retracement area of 618 to 786 zone here. So from this zone we can expect price to give us some retracement here, because we have ABC correction going on, and same is the size. Correction C wave will be the same as the A wave. So we measure this and put it from here. It will be nearer about 5054. So from 5054 to this high, which is our QML zone, we have this supply here present here. So from this supply we can expect, if market reject here and give us a confirmation, then we will be expecting it to drop the same price of this full wave, which is nearer about 4813 here. Okay, so we will be watching this zone here from 5051 to 5086, and after this test we will be expecting a drop towards this bottom area here. And after this test I will be watching for a bullish confirmation towards this price here. Okay, so my plan is simple. If price reject here, I will be watching for the drop till this green zone, and after that I will be watching for a structure change here. If there is no structure change, then I will be continuing with my short idea and target the bottom lows. And if this supply get flipped and price create a new breakout structure here, then I will be on the long side till this target. So this is my invalidation, to create a breakout structure above this high, then this will be invalidate. Okay, till then structure is still bearish. We have a new lower low formation here, so we can expect price to create a new lower high, then create a new lower low. So this will be my expectation. Now let's see it in 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, this is our 4-hour supply area, and from the bottom we have a multiple bullish price action. This is the breakout structure. Again, this is the breakout structure. the retracement, and this is not a proper retracement. So we have this area from where it can test and pump. So 1 hour is still bullish till this area, 4 hour supply. If we measure our max volume zone, which will be near our supply area 2. Here, see this QML zone, supply area, the max volume zone. This is our POC. And then in 30-minute time frame, if we see this, we have this market structure shift, breakout structure, proper retracement. This is a new breakout structure. Then again pump. This is the 15-minute breakout structure. And then this is a retracement and price is going upside. So according to 30-minute time frame, what we need here is price to test this zone, close the candle above, then give us a change of character here, then we will be watching for short. So this will be my short plan here. Price test here, close the candle above, create a 30-minute breakout structure here, then it create a change of character zone here. Then I will be watching for short. Till then, structure in 30 minutes is bullish. See this is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. See this. So possibly we have to wait for the change of character here. If this change of character does not happen, then we will be going with this smaller time frame structure. As we know that 5 waves on anti-trend direction is the reversal sign most of the time. So until this smaller trend is going on upside, we can't expect it to drop. We need a change of character here. Okay. So smaller time frame is still bullish. 15-minute, a clear bullish direction. See this change of character, then again the breakout structure, retracement, breakout structure, retest of mitigation block, again the breakout structure, then the retest of this order block, again pumping. If create a breakout structure, then we should be watching here. If it create a new change of character here, it's still a short position. Otherwise price is still bullish. It can go upside, and I will be watching for this zone here. So we need to wait for a smaller time frame change of character here until we have the break of this high, because 4 hour and 1 hour are already aligned with short direction, and 15-minute, 5-minute and 30-minute are on bullish direction. So we need to wait for the 15-minute at least to get a line on short direction, so we can swing it for the target in 1 hour time frame here. Okay. So is it clear that we have a bearish structure and we are waiting for the short confirmation. So this is gold, and I'm expecting gold to create some bearish pressure here, so it can again drop towards this low, and from this order block I'm expecting it to pump again around 4764. So I will be watching this zone here. Okay. If you see this, we have FOMC meeting. Monday will be a bank holiday, so it will be very much volatile. Price will create a fake breakout on Monday, possible fake breakout on Monday, and possible we will see high volatility. Then we have FOMC, so possibly a very volatile week. If we see in COT reports here, the big players are adding short positions. and as we see they have cut the long more of 1700 on the previous time. See this 37,592, this much positions were close on long side, and they added short on 3rd of February. So where is the 3rd of February? So they started adding short from here. Okay, then we have this high drop. Now on the 10th of the February they are adding more shorts. From here they are adding more shorts, and this is a possible drop for it. Now maybe we will see a more short formation here. COT is very laggy because it update the data after 1 week, so move was already happening. Okay, see this 10th of the February they were adding short, and this was this reaction. I'm expecting it to create more short on his areas. Let's see silver. Silver is bearish right now. Let's see. If we see this here, the last breakout structure in weekly time frame was this one, and this is just a liquidity hunt. In daily time frame, same area, just a liquidity hunt, and this is retracement. So if price break above this zone, it will be bullish, but before that we have a 4-hour structure. In 4-hour we have low formation, higher high, then lower low, lower high, lower low. Again this can be a possible lower high. Why? Because price have tested the supply area here and change is character. This was the breakout structure, and this is our change of character. So this is an indication that price want to go this level. So after the change of character, price should test this area and drop as this QML zone, which is aligned with this supply. See this? So from this 2 zone, I'm expecting silver to create a new low. Daily is bullish, 4-hour is bearish, 1 hour is also bearish, but in internal structure it is bullish. This is not retracement. Market structure shift, breakout structure, we have this order block test. Price is holding here. So possibly we can see this area test, then change of character and drop. Else you should be going with this bullish direction. Then we have 30 minutes still bullish. 30 minutes zone have tested this area. Price is pumping. 15 minute is still bullish. If you want to buy silver, wait for the zone to get flipped. It will come down again pump, and possibly go here. Otherwise, if we have this change of character, we will be continue with short. First target will be this low. 5 minute. We have this liquidity, break of low, again this one, and this is our change of character. This zone is pending for the test, having liquidity, possible drop, and again rise. First target will be this high. So this is the immediate position after opening. Possibly it can drop to here, again rise to test this high. Better position after the break of this low, as it is still bullish and it should target 79 first. And from this zone 79.9 to 81, I will expect it to reject first and then this area. These two are swing short zones. BTC, if you guys know that we were watching this area in BTC yesterday. In Friday we were watching for the change of character above this area in BTC. Then we have this change of character and price have created another breakout structure here. So from this zone BTC is now bullish from this area. It have already tested. Price is going here. It will test here. If it again drop, then this area will be good to buy again. If not, then you can buy on break and retest. Target will be this high. It want to create a new breakout structure in 1 hour time frame, because the last breakout structure is here. It should hold this area. It have given a change of character there. So that means it want to go upside, and this will be our target. DXY is bullish, still ranging below this low. Once it break, we can expect it to break above this high. Euro is ranging here. It have developed a breakout structure, so possibly this red zone will act as a resistance now. We can expect it to break below this low. If this area fails, then green zone will be target. It's a range, and this is the middle range line. Say this, break above, target will be this, reject here, target will be bottom low. This is just a range. So that's it guys. If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, I am coming for your chat. Please share Euro USD analysis also. Okay, we have shared it. Can you please explain the QML and how to identify it? QML is the zone from where we have the previous high or previous low after the change of character. When market is going upside and it develop a change of character, then this zone is our QML area. This is the area. The previous high before making the high is our QML area. After change of character, this is the QML area, and mostly it works because it is having 618 to 786% of retracement zone, near about 618 to 786% most of the time. Okay, so that's why it worked very much, because this area was meant to be a bullish zone. It fails, and if market retest it, then it will act as a another side resistance. Now same thing for bullishness. If this structure form on the reverse direction, it will be on bullish direction. See this same thing here. Hi, I follow your analysis a lot of time. Your PA and structure analysis is really nice. On a longer time frame, will you consider a lower low forming of wave C? It should create, but let's see what we can do here. This is already a 1 2 3 direction. See this A, B and C, but in daily time frame we just have the formation of A, then it is forming a B, then it forms C. So after this high sweep, possibly there will be the creation of C, but let's see what market offer. Please discuss USD JPY. Okay, let's see USD JPY. It's in range. In daily time frame it is in range, and here we have the last breakout structure, and we have this change of character, and say this is our QML zone. Price have tested and dropping. First target is this low, rejecting from high. This much strong QML zone. See this 618 to 786%. This is what I'm expecting in gold right now. Weekly time frame, it is bearish, and you can expect it to test this green zone again around 140. 4 hour time frame, this is your break of low, this is your supply, recent supply. From here, if market tests this areas, you can expect it to drop. First target will be this low. And you can swing it towards 140. But after the breakout structure, it will retrace first and test this areas again. Then there will be a new low formation towards this low. So first, if you are taking position from here, make sure to book some at this level. Then there will be a small correction again, and there will be a new drop. In 1 hour time frame, see this is your breakout structure. Then we don't have possibly, this is your new breakout structure in 1 hour time frame, change of character. This low will not break, it will go upside, test here again, and it will drop. So watch for this zone first. This is bearish zone. It need to be flipped for more upside, as there will be drop from here and price can possibly test 140. For QMS zone, which candle or candle wick to be considered for making of the zone? The previous high wick. This upper wick is QML. See? This is your QML zone. It is already been tested, so it have the order block there. Price will test it and pump. Bigger time frame. This is your breakout structure. This is your QML. This is for daily time frame. This is QML test and pump. Okay, so any other questions, guys? No questions, then we are ending this session over here. Thank you for joining. Play very careful. In Monday, possibly we will have a great volatility here. From this zone, we are still expecting it to create a new low towards this bottom green zone here, around 4775 to 4655. But if we have a new breakout structure, then we will be continuing with our long direction till this upper green zone here. So this is it, guys, and hope you understand this plan. See you in the next video. Until then, keep trading.